Hello everyone and welcome to English 224. I'm Malal-English. Today we are going to see the difference between these two words, interesting or interested. You will notice that interesting and interested both are adjectives, but the usage is not the same. Okay? The usage is not the same. Let's see the examples below. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. I like it because I'm interested in inspirational books. I like it because I'm interested in inspirational books. Okay? So the book is interesting. You find it interesting, and that's why you are interested in it. Okay? Good. Let's move on to the explanation. Now, explanation. Interesting is used to show that something has a quality that makes you want to know more about it. Something that is interesting has a quality, it's something that has a quality that makes you want to know, that makes you want to discover it and know more about it. Okay, this means interesting. And interested is when you want to know more about something or someone. So you are interested. Okay, don't forget the two sentences that we gave earlier. Okay, good. Let's see more examples below. Good. Are you interested in swimming? It means what? Here, swimming is something that is interesting. And now I am interested, or you are interested in swimming. Are you interested in swimming? This is a question that you can ask to someone if you want to know if they have interest to something or if they are interested in something. I have bought many interesting things for my child. Okay? I have bought many interesting things for my child. When my child sees those things, he will be interested. So those things are or will be interesting to him. The last one. Who's interested in English? This is a question you can ask. Who's interested in English? When you are interested in English, it means that English is interesting to you. Okay? So thank you. This is all today, and see you next time with another new video. Bye.